welcome to my channel again. Datu class naludi Munch-Mass flow hypothesis labni tubga. The Munch-Mass flow hypothesis ke dikasila mesela basindi model of Munch-Mass flow hypothesis explains the translocation of food by phloems in plant. Koimo plant nalu phloem ki food di leaf nale root nalu kade pe translocate beu. Tale root nale aerial parts of the plant nalu xylem ki water the gade pe transport beu ani the mechanism of transport of food and water in plant is explained by model of Munch-Mass flow hypothesis tubga ta ani the plant me the photosynthesis the gatelu take place beu leaf nalu take place beu ani leaf nalu photosynthesis take place beu the photosynthesis the leaf nalu take place beu the photosynthesis ke gachi produce beu glucose produce beu bade the glucose the food me bade glucose is the important food for the growth and development of plant imbe and the gatelu produce beu photosynthesis ki leaf nalu produce beu and food has to transport to the root for the growth and development of plant imbe oimo the ani leaf di to the source kachi ki source food ki source नहीं दातो या कोई मां ani leaf the food ki source तले root the sink the या ले source ना ले root ना लो translocate बेदे बे ना food ani बेउदालू leaf the source sink the root कोई मो the ani food the utilized by root for the growth and development of plant soil ना लो root do root absorbs watering the ani water the xylem transport water from soil to the aerial parts of the plant. The water the leaf nalu hebdalu the ani water is used by photosynthesis. Koimo daro photosynthesis ki water use peu daro glucose produce peu daro glucose ni mata transport peu root nalu daro root ki use peu glucose the daro water the yata translocate beni ane be circle the continuous pe deu tubga that this mechanism of translocation of food and transport of water is further explained by the model of Munch-Mass flow hypothesis. Tubga. This figure shows a model demonstrating the Munch-Mass flow hypothesis. Tubga. Datu nalu beaker nidu beaker A beaker B do. Goi tele two beaker is connected by glass tube bimbe. Goi mo ta datu the beaker A the leaf imbe. Beaker B the root imbe woi beaker A the leaf imbe source beaker B the sink imbe and the root imbe tele analu glass tube do ani glass tube the phloem imbe tele magi ani glass tube the xylem imbe koimo ta photosynthesis kati take place pe photosynthesis leaf nalu take place pe the photosynthesis the leaf nalu take place beodalu photosynthesis produces glucose imade yani glucose is food for the growth and development of plant goi glucose will convert into sucrose goi the sucrose the to food the sucrose the translocate to the root glucose will convert into sucrose dele ani sucrose is transported by phloem to the root root nalu hechi food the root nalu hechi me food the tani food the utilized by root for the growth and development koimo the ani root ki the soil nalu the root absorbs water from soil is transported to the aerial parts of the plant by xylem koi the xylem transport water from soil to the aerial parts of the plant the aerial parts nalu water hebdalu taro photosynthesis ki use peu photosynthesis produces glucose the glucose is converted into sucrose taro sucrose is transported by phloem to the root utilize the food taro root absorbs water from soil and the water is transported by xylem to the aerial parts of the plant the cycle the anibera continue bideu tuga the datu ki amchri thank you and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.